An ISO file, also known as an ISO image, is a disk image of all the installation files for a program. Especially large programs such as Microsoft Office and Windows operating system are available as ISO files. How is the ISO file made? ISO images can be created from optical disks by disk imaging software, or from a set of files by optical disk authoring software, or from another disk image file using conversion. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you how to create an ISO file with the popular Nero burning ROM software, so stay with me until the end of the video.